Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to cook chicken curry, and the ingredients are take oil, heat the oil up, then we'll add the onion, and we'll cook it till it goes golden brown. So once the onions are ready, we'll put all the masalas into that and all the ingredients. So I've showed it before earlier. So yeah, we'll put all the ingredients in the onions once the onions is cooked. After the onions are ready, you can see golden brown, we're going to add the masala. Smells so nice. A little water and mix it. Yeah, and leave the masala to cook for 5 minutes or so, and then we'll add the other ingredients. After 5 minutes, we're going to add the chicken and the potatoes. And then mix it well. So we'll let it cook for a while, then we'll add water in it, and yeah, I'll show you after once it's ready. So guys, after 15 minutes you can see it's cooking and it's nearly ready. The oil is out. So guys, if you like today's video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys. Bye bye.